was this strange object that was filmed in the skies of Rugeley, UK. Check out the video, but first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
This video was filmed in Rugeley in the UK on October the 12th, 2024. Check out this awesome video. Here it is. It was filmed at 19:31 PM on the 12th of October 2024. It's a strange orb that just flies over Rugeley. It isn't far from the famous CANNOCK chase, which has had many UFO sightings over the years. It seems to glimmer and glow. This is how the person who took the video described it. It was taken on the Enigma Labs app. Let's have a look. As you can see here, it just does seem to glimmer and glow. I mean, could it be a satellite? Very strange, wherever it is. Just there it is again. Let's check out the full video.
There you go. There you go.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, you have been spotted.